Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna install these short RAM intake. Picked it up for 60 bucks from a local guy on the IS page. He was selling for 80, got it for 60. He gave me a good deal. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna clean up the filter. It's pretty dirty. Try to get all the dirt out of it or debris off of it. And I'm just gonna install it into the factory one. Pretty much what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna do a before and after sound too. It's a lot of dirt. And so I'm gonna clean these up, suck all the dirt out of it, and put it back on. Alright, I got the stock air box taken out. And I'm just gonna pretty much transfer this one to this one. So first I gotta take out the, I think it's the mass airflow sensor. Gotta take that out and transfer it over there. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, got the map sensor in, so next I'm just gonna clean out the filter. Alright guys, so I got it installed. It's pretty easy, just take off the original one. There's just 3 bolts. There's one right there. You guys can't see it. Right there. That one. And there's one right here. So just take out those 3 bolts and then the hose clamp. It's pretty much it to take off the stock one. So here's the sound test of the engine intake. Alright guys, this is with the stock intake. Hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying. Alright guys, so can't really tell the difference. It sounds the same to me, but at least I don't have aftermarket going. And actually better. But that's it for this video. I'm just installing the short intake. But yeah, stay tuned for the LS400 caliper up from Big Brakes. I'm waiting for the adapters to come in, then I'm gonna install that soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe.